Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about knowing self with quantum intelligence. Now first, we will learn that what is quantum world and its terminologies. Quantum means the packet of energy and world is created from the packet of energy only. Wave-particle duality. In quantum world, all the packets of energy are in the wave form. Until and unless the consciousness experience focus on it, and then it collapse and form in the particles. Uncertainty principle. In quantum world, all the things are uncertain. Until and unless the consciousness experience a focus on it, then it becomes certain. Superposition. In quantum world, we can go to multiple places at one point. This leads to the concept of multiverse. Entanglement. When we thought about a closer one or a far one, then that closer one and far one responds to us. This leads to the concept of telepathy. Quantization. In quantum world, all the things are made of the packet of energy. Probabilism. In quantum world, there are 0 to infinite possibilities. Non-locality. The quantum worlds are everywhere. Now, we are going to learn about the classical world and its terminologies. Now, the classical world means the world which is created by the 5 senses experience. The coherence. When the consciousness experience a focus on the wave, then it collapses and forms particles. Scalability. Were things which we can measure. Environmental noise. The natural error in cause in the measurement. Measurement and observation. The things which we can measure and observe from a small particle to the multiverse. Okay. Determinism. The things which we can determine. Locality. The things which we can localize. Now, we are going to learn about the relation between the quantum and classical world with the help of the consciousness experiencer. Now, in quantum world, there is a multidimensional space, also called as Hilbert space, and it has a symbol. It requires symbol called psi, which is this. Now, in quantum stage, there are infinite possibilities. Now, when the consciousness experiences a focus on the wave, then that collapsed and formed into the particles. This is called as wave-particle collapse or decoherence. Now, these particles form the 3-dimensional space which is called as Euclidean space, and it made the quark, electron, proton, neutron, atom, sun, galaxies and universe. And from that, the human beings with 5 sense experiences are formed, and they are working on the general AI robot similar to the human body, and it is objective and deterministic. Now, according to the Newtonian time, the progressive in unidirection was based on the concept of gravity. But in quantum world, the consciousness experiencer experience the things happening in present, not in past or future. It only retrieves the information of the past from the classical world and do it again experience And from the prediction of the past and present, it creates the future. And according to Einstein, the time is constant based on the concept of change in space-time in fabric. Now, we will learn about the coherence. The coherence is the thought in which if the particles of the classical world form into the wave. And it is the subjective perceiver of experiencer. Now, the infinite wisdom is the wisdom to answer why we are here with the evolution of the classical world. Now, we will learn that the evolution according to the quantum intelligence. In the world of awake stage, the world reinforced with five sense experience, and the experience is qualitative and is present in quantum state, mean classical body to retrieve information for experience. And in the world of sleep stage, the experience of dream without reinforcement of classical five sense world. And we experience of deep sleep, that is existence of body without dream and five sense classical world. Now we will learn that how thought induced or creativity wisdom created.